Today I'm going to show you how to print Google Calendar in month view on your computer, step by step. This is a super useful trick if you want a physical copy of your schedule, a monthly overview for planning, or just an easy way to keep track of important dates offline. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides like this. Let's jump in. First, open Google Calendar on your computer. You can do this by going to calendar.google.com and signing in with the Google account that has the calendar you want to print. Once you're in, you'll see your events and schedule inside the calendar dashboard. Now, the next step is to switch to month view. On the left side or top area of Google Calendar, you'll see the view options such as day, week, month, and schedule. Click month so you can see the full monthly layout. This is the best view if you want a clean, easy to read printout of everything happening across the month. After that, navigate to the exact month you want to print. You can use the arrows at the top of the calendar to move forward or backward through the months until you land on the one you need. Make sure you're looking at the correct month before printing, because whatever is displayed on your screen is what you'll usually send to the printer. Once the right month is on screen, click the settings icon in the top right corner. This is the gear-shaped icon, and it opens a menu with several calendar options. From that menu, select Print. Google Calendar will then open the print preview page for the month view you're currently looking at. On the print screen, you may see a few options you can adjust before printing. Depending on your browser and system, you might be able to choose the print range, font size, layout, or whether you want to include colors and event details. Take a moment to review these options so your calendar prints exactly the way you want it to. If you want it more readable, choose larger font settings if available. If you want a more compact version, keep the default settings. When everything looks good, click Print. At this point, your browser or system print dialog will open. Here, select your printer from the list, check the page range if needed, and make sure the correct paper size and orientation are selected. If you're printing the whole month, double check that the preview matches what you expect. Finally, click Print again to send the Google Calendar month view to your printer. A few moments later, you should have a printed copy of your calendar ready to use for planning, organizing, or sharing with someone else. And that's it. You now know how to print Google Calendar month view in just a few simple steps. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss another helpful tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.